File system. A computer file system is a method of organizing and storing files on a computer. The file system manages the physical storage of files on disk drives and other storage media, and provides a way for users and applications to access and manipulate those files. Types of file systems. FAT. File Allocation Table. FAT is a file system used primarily by older versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. It is simple and widely supported, but has limitations in terms of file size and volume size. NTFS. New Technology File System. NTFS is a file system used by newer versions of Microsoft Windows operating systems. It offers advanced features such as support for large file sizes, file permissions, and encryption. HFS Plus. Hierarchical File System Plus. HFS Plus is a file system used by Apple's Mac OS operating system. It supports features such as file permissions, journaling, and case-insensitive file names. ext4. Fourth Extended File System. ext4 is a file system used by Linux operating systems. It offers advanced features such as support for large file sizes, file permissions, journaling, and file compression. APFS. Apple File System. APFS is a file system used by newer versions of Apple's Mac OS and iOS operating systems. It is designed to support modern storage technologies such as solid-state drives, SSDs, and offers features such as file cloning, snapshots, and encryption. exFAT. Extended File Allocation Table. exFAT is a file system designed for use with flash drives and other removable storage devices. It supports large file sizes and is widely supported by multiple operating systems. File system concepts. File. A file is a named collection of data stored on a disk or other storage device. Directory. A directory, also known as a folder, is a container that holds files and other directories. Path. A path is a sequence of directory and file names that specify the location of a file on a disk. File system permissions. File system permissions are rules that determine which users and groups have access to a file or directory, and what actions they are allowed to perform on that file or directory. Journaling. Journaling is a technique used by some file systems to record changes to files and directories in a journal, which can be used to recover from system crashes or power failures. In conclusion, file systems are an essential component of modern computer operating systems, providing a way to organize and store files on disk drives and other storage media. Different file systems offer different features and are optimized for different use cases, but all share common concepts such as files, directories, paths, and file systems.